Hi everyone, hope you all are safe, healthy and happy. Welcome back to my channel Sadaa's Green Life. I'm in Hyderabad shooting, so you can see me with makeup, and I thought it's a good time to share my nighttime skincare routine with you all when I have makeup and all going on. Whenever I'm traveling, I live out of my suitcase. This particular skincare really works out well for me because it's not just vegan, cruelty-free, affordable, but also very convenient to travel with, since all my products just come in this little kit here. There are just 4 products. Before I get into the video, I just would want to say a small thing about the skincare stuff that I'm using. It's extremely basic, but this really works out well for me. Let's get started. So first thing is to remove the makeup. Now I do not use any commercial makeup removing oil or cream or any of that stuff. I use a simple concoction of jojoba oil, olive oil and almond oil. So that is all that there is in equal proportions, and you get these kind of bottles in market. So I just fill it up in this and I travel with this. So this lasts like for 10 days at least for me. So works really well. What I do is I take about like a coin size amount on this thing. I rub it nicely so it gets a little warm, and then I just go over my face with this. A good way to reduce usage of chemically laden products, because all the oils are natural. You can also add essential oils if you want. I'll take some more and I'll go on my eyes. Sorry, I'm going to scare you off, but can't help. Once I'm done with that, a normal muslin cloth which is damp, I wipe off my face with this. Not using cotton pads or any of that stuff, because this is something that you can keep washing and reusing, so works really well for me. That is it. I just go over my face once again with the cleaner side, just to make sure that there is nothing. Now once this is done, you all are going to be very surprised with the next product that I'm going to be using. It's nothing else but a Medimix soap that I also use for my body and my face. It's paraben free, it's cruelty free, it's vegan, and it does all the functions that probably a fancy face wash would do, like cleanse my face. It doesn't dry out my skin, it doesn't break me out, and it's at a fraction of a cost. So, and also it's like one product less, because this is the same thing I use also for my body. So yeah, we're going to wash the face now with this Medimix. Now I use this soap in the shower, like basically after shoots and all, I take a bath, so I use it in the shower. So I only dab my face, I don't rub. I only rub my nose, because this is where we tend to get a lot of whiteheads and blackheads. So I only rub my nose. Face is only dabbing. When I use oil, I have to use a soap that can lather well to get rid of all the oil on my face. But when I'm not using makeup and I don't need to use that extra step of taking off my makeup, so I use this product by the Tribe Concepts, which is a face brightening daily cleanser, which is with 12 organic ingredients. You can use it as a cleanser, scrub, mask. It's also cruelty free and vegan. It's nothing but a powder form cleanser which comes in a foil packaging inside a steel jar. Packaging comes with this teaspoon, so it's really handy when I'm traveling. I take about 1 teaspoon. On my palm, I take a couple of drops of water. I mix it well. It smells also, of I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. It's called uptan. So my mother used to give me uptan during Diwali when I was a kid. So it kind of makes me feel a little nostalgic also. And I'm just showing it now, but generally I either use that soap or this powder. Not both, but now for the purpose of the video, I'm going to do it. And I kind of applied all over my face. Now this product, I also use it as a mask once in like 15 days when I feel that my skin needs that extra step. So this can be used as a face wash, as a scrub, as a mask. You can leave it for 10-15 minutes and then cleanse it off. So again, this is extremely gentle, doesn't dry out the skin at all, and extremely natural product. And that is it. So now I've washed my face twice, but usually it's only once. Either it's with the soap or with this powder. Now, last step of my nighttime skincare routine is this Kumkumadi Tailam, again by the Tribe Concepts. Again, cruelty-free and vegan, no preservatives, no synthetic fragrance, and it's got saffron, haritra, manjishta and all of that. Smells good, comes in a glass bottle. It's only 30 ml, but it really goes for a very, very long time. Now I'm on my second bottle already, and the first one has lasted me really, really long. Nothing, I just take 2 drops, maybe 3, because I washed my face twice, and rub it again and dab. On the packaging of this product, it's mentioned if you have acne prone skin, use this oil for like an hour and wash it off. But I've been using this overnight and it has worked amazing for me without any breakouts. So yeah, I leave it on. So people are afraid of using oil on their face, thinking that it will break them out. But trust me, like, oil is something that really balances out the oil that is there naturally in your skin. So if you kind of supplement your skin with good natural oils, the excess oil production that happens otherwise will actually come under control. So that is it. What I do is I take few extra drops and put them on my neck and chest. So that is it. So you saw my nighttime skincare regime, which is not only vegan and cruelty free, but it's also minimalist. I was also into this 9-step skincare regime, layering a lot of skincare products on your face. I used to do all of that as well, but I've realized less is more when it comes to skincare. I don't layer my face with tons of products. I just keep one basic oil and I use it all over my face, and it works really wonderfully well for me. So less is more. Don't make your skin an experimentation ground for a lot of products. Also, not necessary if a product is expensive, it has to be good. Sometimes you really find gems when it comes to skincare, like Medimix that I've mentioned, and also the Tribe Concepts. The brand is so eco-friendly. The kind of stuff that they use in their products are also extremely natural, and they are priced also reasonably well, because the product really goes a long way when it comes to the quantity and the quantity that you need to use on regular basis. Now, to be very honest with you all guys, this is not how it was a couple of years ago. I used to battle constantly with acne problem. I used to have monthly dermatologist visits, and every single time I used to come back with a list of products to be used for my acne, And as long as I used to use those products, my skin would behave well. And the moment I would stop using them, again I used to have, like breakouts. And trust me, no dermatologist ever told me to eliminate dairy from my diet. I was looking for a long-term solution for this problem, and I found the solution just when I stopped looking for it. And it happened when I went vegan. So I went vegan for ethical reasons, but it played such an important role in clearing up my skin. Within like 6 months, my skin started clearing up, and touch wood, until today I have not got those cystic acne and all of that. I still do get onset or two in a couple of months when either the schedule is hectic or I'm in stress or I'm traveling, I don't sleep well. I still do get, and it is normal. But those big cystic hormonal acne, I've gotten rid of them. I cannot stress enough how important it is to understand what we eat is actually what plays a bigger role on your skin than what we apply externally. So that is one thing I really wanted to bring across, that if you are also someone who is dealing with a lot of acne problem, please do consider eliminating animal products from your diet, and it will play a huge role. Secondly, no matter what kind of problems you are dealing with when it comes to your skin, please do not hate your skin. Love your skin the way it is and imagine yourself having a clearer skin. And I can vouch for this thing. It will play on your subconscious mind and you will achieve the kind of skin that you're looking for. Hating your skin is not going to help no matter what. So yes, that is it. I really hope you all enjoyed my simple 3-step nighttime skincare regime. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and please do consider subscribing to the channel. I shall see you very soon in my next one. Until then, stay safe, feel good, and be